So guys, we're going to continue with the same example and we will going to learn about keys. As we have learned in the classroom that there are two possible ways of storing data in this environment. So whenever you create a member and you start storing data in it, one possible way to store data is called ASAP, which is Arrival Sequence Access Path. And the other way is KSAP, which is Keyed Sequence Access Path. Anytime the data gets stored, it builds an access path. If you really want to do a linear search, which is a slower search, we go about taking arrival sequence access path. If you want a quicker search, if you want IBM to utilize its built-in mechanism for you to be able to search faster, you must use keyed sequence access path. Now, applying keyed sequence access path on any one of the fields will not even apply primary key, especially for those of you who are coming from the database world. In order for you to apply the primary key, you have to have a combination of a key and a unique, which we're going to do in the next example. But in this example, we're only going to concentrate on how you can create a key on a field. And it's not limited to a single field. You can actually apply keys on more than one fields. But all the fields on which the keys are applied, they are the ones that are used for building the access path. And they're the ones that are used for writing the algorithm to make your retrieval faster. So in order for you to do this, you have to keep in mind there's no shortcut. You have to have all your fields created with their specifications. Once your fields are created with their specifications, then you go to the very last line after you're done creating all the fields and press enter. Now, you got to start promoting one or more of the fields that you have already declared to a key status. So we got to press F4 to bring the prompt. And in the prompt, as you notice in the past, that there are two letters. One is K and one is R. R we have already used for record format. We're now going to be using K, which is for the keyed. And now I'm going to be picking one of the existing fields, such as rug ID, and I'm going to be promoting that to the key status. So once these changes are through, I will going to once again save the changes. So I need to go back to compile, and under compile I need to choose change PF because this particular object already exists. So I'm going to click on change PF. Once I click on change PF, it will going to compile it for me, and if there are any errors, they will be listed under error list. And after that, I'm going to check commands log, which must tell me that the following member that I was trying to change has reported all the changes. So that's the only thing that we have done. Behind the scene, it will going to make it a key sequence access path, but apparently if you just simply look at the rugs, all you can see is that the time has been updated. And if I go back into edit contents, there isn't really anything that you're going to notice any different than what we had before. So we have simply added a key to our physical file member. In the next tutorial, we're going to learn about how you can do a key and a unique combination, which will going to make this particular field unique. Means you will not be able to repeat the same ID again. Just to show you, right now, if I try to enter the same ID twice, it will going to take that as an input. So if I go under rows and I go under insert and I enter rug ID 1, let me just put some pricing here, some sizing here. Let me try to insert the same ID again. And you notice that it does take the same rug ID multiple times. But when I apply unique, it won't let me do that. So let me select this and delete it, so that in the next example we will be able to apply the changes with the unique key. Hope you would have enjoyed this tutorial. Catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching.